You ever have this problem? Garden hose splits. You want to throw the garden hose out, but you don't have to. They sell kits, garden hose repair kits. It's 2 hose clamps, double meld 5/8 nipple. All you have to do, I already marked it here. I'm going to cut off as much as the bad end as that I have to. You could go a little more. Make sure you got a good cut. So I think I'm fair enough there. Now this hose is just temporarily for use, so I was going to buy a brand new hose for what I'm using it for. So, and this can be, the nipple can be reused. So what we're going to do is we're just going to cut it with a knife safely. Try to keep my hands out of the way. Cut it with my dull knife. I can be faster with it and just use a pair of wire cutters. Try to get the other piece from falling off. Yes, the knife was getting on my nerves. Put the hose clamps on first. You don't want to put the nipple in before you put the hose clamps in. Put the fitting inside the hose. Made them up. Tighten your clamps down like so. Try to keep like a 1/8 to 1/4 inch off the end. Make sure you're on the nipple. Snug them in. You don't want this blowing apart on you. You don't want to make it too tight where it cuts into the hose either. Part of my mess, I'm in the process of building a better setup so I can make better videos for you guys. Alright, give it a little snug or a little tug. Don't come apart. You're good to go. Easy as that. I'll start using it. Now, if you want to be extra safe, you can wrap that up with some electrical tape or whatever you want to use. I'm not that concerned about it, so I really don't care. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And check me out on Patreon. Please help by supporting this channel by making a donation. I appreciate it, guys. Thanks.